Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the keybinds in Palworld. Let's begin by opening the options menu. From here, select controls, then make sure you are in the keyboard section. Here you can change the keybinds for specific actions. Let's say I want to change move forward to the up arrow. I click on the slot right here, then input the up arrow, input. As you can see, it is quickly changed. If I made a mistake and, for example, I wanted to change the move, I don't know, move right, and I clicked on move left, I can always close this with the close action right here, as you can see. There is no way, from what I see, to reset individual keys, so be careful, because you can always restore to default, but this works on the whole list of keybinds. After you customize, now you will know how to customize individual actions. I will go through all actions that are available for change. You can, as I said before, change the movement keys. Move front, move back, move left, move right, jump, summon pal, right skill, throw pal sphere, partner skill, crouch, slide, right skill, reload, roll, sprint, change pal, left, change pal, right, change sphere, command pal, build menu, autorun, and push to talk. Under UI actions there is interaction 1 through 4, character menu, technology menu, pal status, world map, and change building alignment mode. Once you are happy with your changes, press back, then press yes to save the changes, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.